Okay, this is a little bit different because I'm going to react to a reaction. And it is Dimash reacting to his birthday gift by some of the young performers that he recently judged. And I believe they are performing a previous birthday gift that he gave to his fans, his dears, and that is a performance of his song Omir.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, right now I have no idea what they want to show me, but let's watch together.
Love his fingers.
It was unbelievable. I was so enjoyed. It was perfect, flawless victory. I
I
feel
just
your emotions. I feel everything. I feel your passion.
I just finished watching the full Virtuoso.
Bravo, bravo. Wow. I have no words. Thank you for everyone who was joined to this amazing project, amazing surprise for me. I'm very excited. And I think I am one of the most happiest singers all over the world because I have, first of all, I have Allah. I have family. I mean, my parents, my sisters, my brothers. I have friends. I have fans. Just wanna say a lot of thanks for everyone, for your love, for your support. Biggest, biggest respect and the biggest love for my lovely kids. I think I can call them like this because Virtuosos, also my family. They are also my family members. So I'm very happy. Thank you very much.